The world stopped because of this launching of a tariff war, first against everybody in the world, and now focused on China. Now, of course, the argument is, oh, we want to bring manufacturing back to the States. Does anyone know a case in which deindustrialization, getting rid of the manufacturing facilities, can be rebuilt or reindustrialized or become a manufacturing power again? There are reasons for this. And we see this very clearly in the US. In the US, once you deindustrialize, you lose the workforce that can actually handle industries. You lose the spirit that goes with the industries. You lose the infrastructure and the supply chain that makes your industries competitive. So I think the whole idea of remanufacturing the United States of America, or rebuilding the whole manufacturing supply chain in America, if it can be done at all, which I doubt, will take generations, at least decades. We see this already. The attempt during President Trump's first term of creating manufacturing jobs with Foxconn in Wisconsin led to a very large empty plot, despite the commitment of the US government to give all kinds of tax breaks to Foxconn. I don't believe Mr. Trump has forgotten that experience, because he was there when the groundbreaking had taken place and supposed to create tens of thousands of manufacturing jobs. Did it happen? No. Actually, nothing was built. Ended up to be, instead of manufacturing, it was built into a very small R&D center. And that's just basically for face. And then the same thing happened in Phoenix, Arizona, where TSMC was supposed to build a chip manufacturing facility. It took several years after the original plant time for the plant to be nearly completed. And many reasons for that. Number one is infrastructure. Number two is talented and skilled workers. They couldn't even find engineers to design and build this thing. They had to be shipped in from Taiwan. But then you ran into problems with the US unions, who were certainly not happy that a lot of the work that was done supposed to be done by them, were done by Taiwanese engineers. And then there's further issue that Taiwanese engineers can actually put in 9 to 9 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock at night. And US workers didn't quite like the idea. So I think to restructure the US to become a manufacturing powerhouse once again is simply unrealistic. It would take a few generations to just get the skills of the workers up to par, and to have the infrastructure built as well. It's very decrepit. If you look at grading of graduates, it's absolutely amazing that the US will rank, I think, number 30 or something in the world in terms of high school graduates. Without the basics of math skills and so on, how can you create a class of engineers? You cannot. So I think what we have is a situation in which there's a lot of precursor that has to be completed, such as training, education, and infrastructure building, before even any attempt at re-engineering the US economy into a manufacturing powerhouse could take place. I don't think it would realistically can take place anytime in the near future.